How to send gold stickers in Monopoly Go, and is it possible? So first, you just have to simply launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that this application is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application for you to be able to get access to these new features of this game. So in order for you to send a sticker to someone or a friend, all you have to do is to tap this album that is next to go button. So you just have to tap this one. Now the question is it possible to send a gold sticker or send gold stickers in Monopoly Go? So the answer is you cannot. Okay. So as you can see here, if I'm about to send a golden sticker to someone, it shows here that this sticker can't be gifted. So unfortunately, you cannot send this gold sticker to someone or to a friend here in Monopoly Go. This feature is not yet available for now, but maybe in the future it will be available. However, look out for Golden Blitz, a new limited time event that appears on the right side of the Monopoly Go gaming screen and lets you swap specific gold stickers. Typically, the Golden Blitz events last for just 12 hours and only permits the trading of two particular gold stickers. So that is all for now. This is not to mislead you, but to inform you that you cannot send gold stickers as of the moment. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.